Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into Facebook and targeting the account and context you want. Open the search bar and enter keywords, names, or phrases tied to the video. Once done, switch the results to the video's filter and choose Most Recent. This narrows results to uploads and shares instead of posts. If a time range is available, set it to focus on the relevant period. You now have the initial narrowed list to probe deeper into hidden results. Now you dig deeper using targeted filters and manual inspection. Scan related pages and groups where the video might be reposted. Many hidden clips live in closed or niche communities. Make sure to expand comments and shares. Users often post direct permalinks or alternate uploads there. On desktop, use Boolean-style queries by combining uploader names with distinct keywords to reveal variants. While searching, cross-check timestamps and thumbnails to confirm you're tracking the same video, not a lookalike. To finish, secure the clip by saving it or copying the permalink so you don't rely on ephemeral feeds. If the video is restricted due to privacy settings, request access from the uploader or join the hosting group or page. That often resolves viewing limits. If you still can't find it, troubleshoot. Clear your app cache, open an incognito window, or try a different account to rule out permission or caching issues. One key tip: always verify uploader identity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.